Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Signal app. So Signal app is getting popularity due to its privacy and security. It's a messaging app just like WhatsApp and Messenger. Okay, so first of all download and install the Signal app. Once you download it, then open the Signal app on your phone. So Signal is available both on Android and iOS. So after completing all the formal steps just like uploading profile pic, entering your name, for confirming your phone number and all that, you'll be on the home screen just like this. Okay, now you can click on the blue pen that you see right here on the right hand side. That is the pen, white pen in the blue shade. Okay, click on that and you'll find a list of all the contacts here that are using Signal. So right now none of my contacts are using it. Okay, so I'm not able to see here. Now once you find your contact, you can also search by using the name or number here. Now suppose I'm going to message myself, that is note to self, only one number is here. Okay, so simply you can type in the message hello, simply send it just like this. Okay, now you can use the emoji from here. Then there is the camera option. Okay, you can use it from here, and then microphone is there. Then you can click on the plus sign, and then you will be able to find gallery, GIF, file, contact and location at the bottom that you can use here, okay, in order to send it. So these are some of the basic features that you all also find on Messenger and WhatsApp and Messenger. Okay, now click on these three dots and you can see something called disappearing messages, all media, conversation settings and all that. Okay, suppose I click on disappearing messages right here. Now there are settings that you can use. Okay, just like this, disappearing messages are off. You can use 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So the messages that will be sent and received, they will be disappeared after 10 seconds if your setting is here. You can also use 1 hour, 6 hour, up to 1 week. Okay, so this one feature is not there on WhatsApp or Messenger. Now I'm going back. Now I'm going click on the profile photo on the top left corner. Now you'll reach here on this settings. Now you can go to privacy. You can have the screen lock, then there is screen security and all those things. There are many things here. You can also create a pin here that keeps information stored with Signal encrypted. Okay, now then there are other basic things like appearance. You can use the theme, that is system default, light, dark. You can have the chat wallpaper. Then you can change the language from here. System default is English right now. You can choose any language. Then if you go to the chat section here, okay, you can take the backups, use the chat backups at the bottom. Okay, right now it is turned off. You can turn it on your phone. Then if you go to data and storage right here, then there is something called media auto download. If you don't want it, you can simply turn it off. You can uncheck the mark, or if you want it, then you can use your mobile data to download it automatically here. Okay, then there is for the calls, use less data for calls or more data, or Wi-Fi and cellular, or cellular only. You can choose that also. Then there's something called linked devices. Then if you go to advanced here, then you can use the Signal messages and calls. Now it will be showing your number here, using your number, that means. Then you can change the pin. Then you can simply delete your account if you are not satisfied with the Signal app in the last. So this is, you can also donate to Signal if you like it. So these are the basic settings and basic working of using the Signal app. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.